give to show you an animation of the concept of inhalation and exhalation. So do you have any question?
No, sir.
All right. Is that the same to every other person? Any area of ambiguity?
Hello, Mr. Fatai. I think the person said he has a question. I think I said yes, sir. Do you have any question? He said yes, sir.
Okay.
You can go ahead, ask your question.
Mr. Emmanuel.
I said no, sir. No.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Throw some question to all, and please, I will appreciate that we have all hands up at least to show that we have been following the class. All right. So, how can you come by the residual air? Residual air. Residual air. Please, no chorus answer. Chamaka, raise your hand. Good.
No, sir.
Christine. Okay. At least you should raise the hand at any rate. All right, Christine, you have the floor. You want to respond to the question? Go ahead.
Okay.
Christine, all right.
The residual air is the air that is left in the lungs after expiration has taken place.
Good. Thank you. Thank you so much for that brilliant response. That is very correct. Thank you so much. All right. Yanolua, do you have anything to say? You want to add to that response? Go ahead. You raised your hand. Go ahead. Okay. Maybe. All right. Let me ask another question. What is the main product of respiration? What is the main product? What are we expecting at the end of respiration? Okay, Emmanuel.
Energy.
Good. And this energy is in what form? Christine Eden. All right, sorry, Yanolua. Is in what form? What's the form of this energy? After breaking down of glucose, what do we say?
It's an ATP.
Good. ATP. Thank you for that response. Yes. Thank
Okay,
you
so you can see how lively our classes are. Students responding. So it is not, don't feel that online live classes is just static, you can't do anything and all that. This is the way they respond to their teachers asking questions. So it is wonderful. All right, so please do come join us, DTW tutorials, for our online live classes to prepare you for 2026 JAMB 2026 WAEC examination. And you should know that we have produced wonderful results over the past how many years? Over 8 years now. Okay, we've produced wonderful results by DTW tutorial. So come join us today to help you in your academic success towards the exam seasons 2026. Okay, so our classes are Monday to Fridays, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. and after that we have the WhatsApp brainstorming session from 9 p.m. to 12 p.m. So it's a double dose we're giving to you to ensure that you pass your examination. It is not an idle community at all. After your live classes, you come on the WhatsApp group and you are what? you know, sorry about that, and you are engaged again, and you are assessed weekly. So come join DTW online classes, the best live online classes in Nigeria. Share this to your, your friends, family, and loved ones preparing for the 2026 JAMB and WAEC. You should also know that in case of power failure or internet failure, our classes are recorded. All right, they are recorded, so you will give you access to the recorded videos, your notes, everything. You have access to it. So join us today. You are blessed and you are destined to win. See you in class. Our WhatsApp details in our profile bio. And finally, don't forget that Jesus loves you. Come to him today.